Hello everyone, today we are going to build a calendar inside GoHighLevel. For that, all we need to do is go to sub account where you want to build your calendar. Then go to settings. And next you will move to calendars. Now you will click on create calendar button. And then you will be asked to select the calendar based on your scheduling type. We have already discussed all of these calendars in detail in our last video. You can watch that video to get an idea of the main difference among all of these calendar types. But the main steps of creating a calendar are pretty much same in all of these calendars. So for now, I'm going to select service calendars. And first of all, you will name this calendar. Let's say it's floor inspection calendar. Then you will select your staff members to whom you want to assign this appointment. And then you will be asked to provide a custom URL, and you need to come up with some unique URL for each of these calendars because GoHighLevel calendars are unique from each other to avoid any of the conflicts among the calendars. So you have to be pretty creative when it comes to calendars URL inside GoHighLevel. In the next step, you will provide service duration. Let's say it's 30 minutes. Then you have the booking availability where you will adjust the time and the days on which you are available. Let's say you are available from Monday to Wednesday. Then you will click on advanced settings, and first of all you will provide your service details. You can import your service logo that will be displayed in your GoHighLevel calendar. Next you can provide service name, say it's floor inspection or floor repairing service. Then you can provide the description that can be book an appointment for floor inspection and repair services. Next you will go to availability, and here you can adjust the timing for each of the days separately. Let's say on Monday and Tuesday you are available from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. And on Wednesday and Thursday you are available on 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Next, you will add your service duration that we have set up to be 30 minutes. Then you have service interval that defines how often booking slots appear on the calendar. For example, if you have a service duration of 30 minutes, then 1 hour interval means that next slot will appear after 1 hour. So basically, it's interval between the book slots. So you can set up the service interval here. So I'm going to go with 30 minutes interval. Next is minimum scheduling notice, which will define minimum time required to book an appointment through calendar widgets. Let's say it's 1 day. Then form selection provides all of the details about the form that will appear once someone book an appointment on your calendar. Then you will come to confirmation page settings. Now, once someone book an appointment, you can redirect them to a page if you want. For that, you will select redirect URL option. You will type in the URL of your page, or you can show them a custom thank you message. For that, you will click on default, and then you will type in the message that can be thank you for booking an appointment. Our team will contact you shortly. Next, if you want to receive the payments, then you can allow the accept payment option. For that, you will have to add a payment provider to start accepting the payments. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. Next is notification and additional settings, where you can adjust the settings for email that you will receive once an appointment is booked. Now, if you want to assign this appointment to any of your staff members, then you can allow this option. And then you can allow to reschedule or cancel an appointment. And once you allow any of these options, a rescheduling and cancellation link will be added to calendar invite, and this link will expire before meeting start time. And you can set how long before the meeting you want this link to disappear. For example, if you want the cancel or reschedule link to disappear 30 minutes before the meeting, then you can set up 30 minutes here. Next is customization, where you can set up the cover image for your client's services if you want. And you can play with these settings to design your calendar, like you can set up its color or button text that will appear at the end of booking process. Let's say we want the button text to be book an appointment. Then you can type in book an appointment like this. Then you can hit save button to save all of the calendar settings and hit close. Alright, we have built the calendar inside GoHighLevel. Now, if you want to see how your calendar will look like for your leads or for your clients, then you can simply edit your calendar. Then go to customization and click on preview widget button. And this will bring up the calendar that you just created inside GoHighLevel. Now I'm gonna book an appointment to show you guys how it will work for your lead or for your client. First of all, we will select the time zone. Then we will select the date and time. And next we will fill in the required details. That will be name, then phone number, and then I will type in email. And then you will check this option and hit book an appointment button. And here you can see on submit message that we added inside our GoHighLevel calendar. And that's it. This is how you can create the calendar inside GoHighLevel. And if you have any queries about GoHighLevel, you can ask in the comment section. You can save this playlist for free online GoHighLevel complete course. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.